Ka sorkar jela hakasisa jain kala hukum ya baro ki doktor ki bapuli na ka baha jong ka sorkar ba ki dei bunwan traino mador ban pendap ya ka jingduna doktor hak leng ki caka sumar. Haba penbena ya kani ka hukum u direktor katat ka koi ka khia doktor Amanwar ulong ba kiladon kumbasan phongut ye ki doktor ki bapuli na ka baha sorkar ki ba klempat wan trai wat hadian ba kila pendap ya ka jingpuli. Lo ong ru badon na preng jengki ki batrei haki wei pat ki hospital ki badon hakanong ba. Kumta halor kani u de jas ulong balada kimwan bantrei ki deben siuno ya ka bon ni ka jingsiu ka bakilai soi susklar hasua bakin naik puli ka balong shipholak hadu atsan lak tengka
Ni don ka jingduna kini ki doktor ki jongi ki bobor. Ba ngitip ba kini ki candidate ki balik puli na ka Meghalaya kota ki bal assign ba gabon ki don hang ni ko shilo. Kan sa point por bangin sa chair peteng, we will mention the names later. All those people who have not honored the bond till date, itu ki baklan buram ya kabon kabakila ada besar. Berkini kabon kadai nadu sekolah dan kebasan sekolah dan kebasan absar lah. Nginumlah dan lepat dakumai lada kimwan report hapo jong August ubnai August. But nadu September kater ngin penmi yaki kerteng di joki. But lada kim sobaha ban wantrai bat ke government kin siu no ya kabon. Ken mau bahapor bafisanya kabon ko ban medical ka CPOA. Ke government ka ai sobaha namar bafile bah ki examen ki jongpi bafio by merit. Takadaw ni ong one tray bat ke sarkar dan one report bat ni but tray ru by merit. An acute shortage of doctors. Now the government had sent many candidates to study MBBS. They have signed a bond with the government. It's only but natural that they should report back. If they are here in Shillong especially, they are not supposed to be working in other hospitals. They are supposed to report immediately to this directorate, or else will be forced to give a notice that you repay back the bond. And I'll tell you the bond ranges from 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. There are many, I think approximately 50 so far. Those who are studying PG, let them give us the information. But those who are here working in some of the hospitals which you have come to know, we ask them to come and report. If you wish to pay back the bond, this is fine. It is as per the bond. But if you wish to not pay the bond, then you will work with the government and we will give the postings accordingly. Now we going to advertise around 120 posts more. Shortage, we don't make a shortage. Manta we are employing COVID, but we don't come. Kamu kadang shortage. Darang imla panai ki regular post COVID is there.